Today we are taking a quick look at the Ajax Primero MD15, a multi-system exploration platform built to help you scan smarter, confirm faster, and pinpoint with confidence before you dig. First, Auto Long Range System. In this mode, the device scans automatically for all available targets in the area and then displays the detected targets as a list. Once you select the target you want, the Primero MD15 guides you step by step until you reach the target location. Second, Manual Long Range System. In this mode, you take full control of the search. You choose the metal type you want to focus on and set the search options. Then the device starts scanning based on your selections. As you move, it guides you toward the target direction, and the signal becomes clearer as you get closer to the correct spot. Third, Ionic Long Range System. This mode is designed for older buried targets. It works by detecting the ionic field that can form around metal objects after they have been underground for a long time. In simple terms, it helps the user search for long-buried targets by tracking their surrounding ionic signature, then guides the search toward the target area. Fourth, Gradio Smart System. This mode helps the user confirm the locations of metal targets and underground voids more accurately after finding a promising area. It uses a dedicated indicator for each type of target, and the indicator level increases as the user gets closer to the target. It gives clearer confirmation and helps the user know whether they are approaching a metallic target or a void. Number 5. Live Scanning System. This mode shows a real-time visual scan on the screen while the user moves over the ground. It uses color indicators to help quickly identify target locations and distinguish between metal signals, natural ground, and possible voids. Number 6. Spectrum Analyzer System. This mode is used after the user reaches a target area and wants a more precise final check. It performs a 2D analysis scan, sends focused sequential pulses directly over the target, and processes the return signals to help identify the target type more accurately before digging. It is mainly used as a final confirmation step, and it works when one of the device's dedicated coils is attached. As you can see in the test, when a gold bracelet is passed in front of the device, it reads it and displays it on the screen, along with its approximate depth. Number 7. Ground Sonar System. This mode is used as a fast checking step before advanced scanning. It sends short signals into the ground and reads the reflections based on density changes, then gives audio and visual feedback to help the user quickly know if the area may contain a metal target or a void, and decide whether to continue with deeper analysis. Number 8. Graph System. This mode displays the target response as a clear 2D graph on the screen to help the user read the signal more easily. It helps show where the target signal starts and ends and gives a better idea about the target shape and strength. In simple use, it is a confirmation mode that helps the user analyze the target before moving to the final pinpoint step. In the next test, we will test this mode by passing a gold bracelet behind the device coil so it can be detected, triggering an alert and a green response on the screen that shows the target signal shape. When an iron metal is passed, the device shows a different response with the target signal shape appearing in red. Number 9. Discrimination System. This mode helps the user distinguish between different types of metals and identify whether the target is precious or non-precious. In the next test, a gold bracelet is passed behind the device coil, so the device can detect it and trigger an alert. The screen then shows the precious metal numbers along with the word precious. When an iron object is passed, different numbers appear in red, along with an indication that it is a non-precious metal. Number 10. Pinpointing System. This mode is used in the final stage after detecting the target area. It helps the user locate the exact target point with higher precision by narrowing the signal as they move closer. As shown in the table test, when the gold bracelet is passed and moved closer to the center of the coil, the signal becomes stronger, and the audio alert increases, indicating that the device is getting closer to the target point. Number 11. Quick Scan System. This mode is used for fast ground coverage and quick target checking. It gives an immediate audio alert when the coil passes over a target and shows a visual response on the screen to help the user recognize the target quickly. In the next test, a gold bracelet triggers an alert and appears on the screen as a precious target, while iron gives a different red reading and is identified as non-precious. Number 12. Ground Imaging. This mode is used for detailed ground analysis and displays targets in a 3D view before digging. It collects scan data through the imaging sensors, then shows a three-dimensional image that the user can analyze to understand the target shape size and approximate depth more clearly. Number 13. Auto Geophysical System. This mode is used for automatic ground analysis without complex manual settings. It measures changes in the ground and analyzes subsurface layers to help the user detect possible metal targets or groundwater zones more easily. Number 14. Manual Geophysical System. This mode gives the user full control of the geophysical scan. It allows manual settings and focused checking of specific points for more precise evaluation of possible metal targets or groundwater zones. Number 15. Imaging Geoscan. This mode is used for geophysical imaging of the ground and is mainly focused on groundwater detection. It collects the scan data and displays it as a 3D image to help the user analyze underground water zones and choose the best drilling point more accurately. And that is the Ajax Primero MD15, a true high-performance exploration platform built for serious fieldwork. What sets it apart is the rare combination of advanced technologies in one device, giving you power, precision, and versatility that is hard to match in any other detector system. This is not just a detector. It is next-level technology built for confident professional results.